I'm Joe, I'm the Technical Talent Manager at Trey. Do you want me to do that again? Yeah. Trey is a visual programming tool to be able to replicate business processes and instrument how data flows through their organisation without needing to write code. We love working with the Wagon. There's always a really great energy when you walk into the building and there's like 100 odd students scattered around, there's conversations everywhere. That same energy is always really mirrored when we go along to the hiring days. We meet loads of people, we come back with a list of like 10, 15 names every single time that we want to talk with further.
Would you recommend Wagon alumni to other companies?
That's a question I don't really like answering. I don't want other companies to hire from the Wagon. The thing we really like about the Wagon grads, the ones we've seen have had usually a really good career. They're passionate, they're knowledgeable, they're proactive and smart. They've learned a lot at the Wagon, but they work so hard to apply it, to learn more. Taniya had a really awesome career managing a nursing practice. She learnt Node in a week in order to pass our tech test, and we loved her from day one. Every single one of them has had a huge impact in not just things they've done as an individual contributor, but work that will help the rest of their team grow and the people come after them grow. And they've all left a legacy despite having been here only a couple of months.